guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. Today's video is sponsored by Gardener Supply Company. We are unboxing and putting together a CedarLast potting bench that has a sink built into it. I'm really excited about this one. I even have a spot picked out for it. And the other exciting thing is that Gardener Supply Company is giving one away to one of you guys. So for all the details on the giveaway, you'll find that in the description below. So I'm just gonna get these unboxed and we'll start building. Oh, looks like this is the sink. Whoa, this is heavy duty metal. I think it's powder coated steel is what it is. This is the faucet kit, it looks like. Yep. Okay, so that's it for what's in the boxes. So I think it looks like I need to get into this first and then read up on what I need to do next. So it says that I need a power drill, a flathead screwdriver, and a rubber mallet is optional. So I'm gonna run to the barn and grab those tools before I get started. And I think what we're gonna do is just set the camera up and kind of show you it come together. And if there's anything that we think is real important that you need to see up close, we'll stop and show you that. Set the shelf on the shelf supports. So this is the lower shelf here. And this shelf holds up to 100 pounds. Like so. Oh, this is the sink grate. The sink grate holds up to 90 pounds and the sink itself holds 80 pounds. And then you can go to town with all of the other little shelves, kind of just positioning them where you want. There's different sizes here. You don't have to use them all, or you can, whatever. I think these are a good place to put like gloves and just random stuff, maybe some pots. I love how it looks. Okay, almost forgot this big drain tube. So this attaches to the bottom of the sink drain, and then you can direct this wherever you want it to drain out. So we're gonna actually be hooking this faucet kit to the back of our trellis. So I'm gonna move these little hooks over a little bit to make room. So I've got it all attached and it does have an on-off switch right here for the water. Last thing I need to do is attach this bracket with screws, and I waited till the very end so I could make sure I liked the placement of it. So I think I want to move the bracket over all the way to the edge here so that I have more room for my hooks and my shelves. Oh, there's a lock. So when I turned my hose on, I did not have the quick connects locked, so I got water everywhere. So this is what a quick connect is this little piece right here that you can pull up and then detach pieces really easily. And when you do this, it locks it. So I've made sure that they're all locked. There are 3 of them in this whole configuration. Let me go turn the hose back on. I love it. And so this right here is cedar, like I said earlier. So it's rot resistant, so it's okay if it gets wet. This is perfect material for this potting bench. You can see when I turn this on, watch out the drain hole at the bottom. You can see it draining right out. And again, you can direct that tube wherever you want it to go. So you can have it drain wherever you want. So I'm gonna get it all set up here and we'll show you what it looks like in the very end. I'm gonna bring some of my stuff that I know I'm gonna be using a lot. Yeah, it's exciting. I've got everything in place and I have to tell you guys something kind of funny. So we were moving it and there's a piece on this faucet that just kept popping off. And you know, like I was having a little issue with the water and I was thinking, you know what, this like rotates too much and it's gonna end up unscrewing the faucet. And so we stopped our video. We contacted Gardener Supply because I never want to show you guys anything that doesn't actually work for me. I want to make sure all the kinks are worked out and that I know how to work it and that I actually like it before we show you. So we contacted Gardener Supply. Turns out I put it together wrong. So this bracket actually lives on the back side. So I need to take this apart, flip this around, and we should be back in business. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew this. The unfortunate part is that I did create holes, but I don't think it's that big a deal. And the instructions were correct. I initially wanted to think that the instructions were wrong, but we read back through them. Every picture that you see, it shows the bracket on the back like this. Huh. That is better. So it doesn't rotate all over the place, and the hose is on. We don't have any leaking anywhere. Awesome. So the overall dimensions of this potting bench is 36 inches wide. It's about 26 inches deep, and it comes in right about 58 inches tall, which is a really nice size. It fits in this little area of our greenhouse really nicely. And then, like I said earlier, it's made of cedar, so it's rot resistant. So getting it wet doesn't matter, which makes it perfect for this application. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this potting bench come together, blunders and all. It's just kind of how it goes sometimes. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All of the details are in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.